We started our 1 mile walk with a smile on our faces and full of energy despite the health index during that day, but we are motivated, so it's not difficult for us.
After one lap, guys.
So one lap. As you can see in our face, we are a little bit tired and we are grasping our breath because the temperature is rising, but laban lang. Three laps. Three laps. One more to go.
Unong sa akin para ma-record ang doon.